Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated process of changing your username on Pinterest. Whether you're rebranding, aiming for consistency across platforms, or simply feel like a change, it's easy to give your profile a fresh identity. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the word Saved, tap it, and then tap your profile icon to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile option. Tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can modify various aspects of your profile, including your username. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, find the Username field. Here, you can type in your new desired username. Remember that your username needs to be unique. Pinterest will immediately check if the username is available. If it's not, you'll need to try a different one. Keep in mind a few important rules for your new username. It needs to be between 3 and 30 characters. It can only consist of letters, numbers, and underscores. Spaces and punctuation marks are not allowed. After you've chosen an available username that meets these criteria, you're almost done. To finalize the change, you might need to click Done twice or tap another entry on the Edit Profile screen. This action confirms your new username and saves the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pinterest username. Your profile URL will also update automatically to reflect this change, so be sure to update any links you've shared elsewhere. Changing your username is a simple yet effective way to refresh your Pinterest presence. It ensures that your profile aligns with your current brand, interests, or personal style. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your Pinterest profile truly yours.